All right, we are back and I'm into my MetaMask. So, what to know? After you've downloaded it, you need to initialize the wallet. You should see a welcome message. And once you're done pestering the fox on the welcome page, you can click on Get Started. This is where you'll be prompted to either import a seed phrase or create a new one. So if you've never created a wallet, then just click on Create a Wallet. If you do have a wallet that you use, you can import your seed phrase, which I hope you wrote down somewhere. The next page asks whether you want to submit anonymized data to help the devs improve the app. Just pick whatever you want. Obviously, it's all anonymized. It's not going to affect your security. So back up your seed words. Let me say this again. Back up your seed words. When you're creating a new account, you're gonna actually that didn't do what I wanted to do, but you're gonna have to back up your seed words. Okay, so the seed words is your code. It's your password into your wallet. If you lose this shit, you don't have access to your wallet, you're not going to be able to get in. It's super important that you write down a piece of paper. Do not keep this on your computer, because if you do have a considerable amount of assets, someone may be able to track your IP and try and do a location-based hack onto your computer and search your files for the keywords, the seed words to get in. Other than that, there are so many possibilities of these that it's basically impossible to randomly hack into a wallet, especially if you know what wallet it is. And there's mathematics to prove this, and I'm not going to go into it here because this is for beginners. So your tokens exist in basically an encrypted vault, and it's protected by your password. But if your computer's lost, stolen, or destroyed, no one can help you recover the wallet except for your private keys, your seed keys. So it's crucial that you write down that backup phrase. It's the only way you can restore your account should something unfortunate happen. And we recommend that you write down the words, store them in 2 or 3 different locations. You don't need to bury them in a fireproof safe deep in the forest, but it won't hurt, right? So click on the gray box to reveal a seed phrase. When you get to the next page, the program anticipates that you may have been lazy with the previous step because it asks you to confirm the phrase. If you didn't write it down the first time, click back and write it down. Confirm the phrase and then proceed to the next step. Hit all done and you'll see this wallet's interface. This is the end of the boring part. Now you can fund the wallet. So funding the wallet allows you to input cryptocurrency into your wallet. So right now we're on the Ethereum mainnet, right? So what you got to do is you got to click copy to keyboard right here. So when you click that, the address that you have is copied to your keyboard. Now you can go to any of the exchanges that you use and input that address for your Ether and send your Ether to this address, right? Ether is a very easy thing to send. Now maybe you want to add another token, right? You can search through tokens, You can search through, so DigiX is backed by gold. You can search through all the different tokens that may already be up there. Or you can enter a custom token. So you enter the token address here, you input the token, and it should auto input the token symbol in the decimal position. You click next, and then you click add. So that's how you add a token. Now, you can send a token to your wallet, and even if you haven't added the token, it will be received. But to see it in your wallet, you have to add the token, right? So with that being said, that's kind of the preliminaries. You can also send it, right? You put the address in here. It all revolves around the address. Is all really simple. You can also buy with a direct deposit or wire. So I don't ever do that. I always go through exchanges, but that's also a mechanism you can use. So whenever you're on a site, and we're going to go, for example, to 11.finance. Whenever you're on a site, you get prompted with, oh, this is interesting, Titan Matic. It's got a higher LP. So you're prompted to connect your wallet. So here you can see I'm already connected, right? Click it, inject, connect wallet. Normally it would ask you to approve that. So right now my test wallet is not connected, but my hold wallet is active and I can switch to that account. I can see here, I'm on an unsupported network. So I have to switch to a supported network. So what's supported? Right now, this is the Binance Smart Chain that's supported. So I switch to the Binance Smart Chain. We're gonna go into how to get onto these Binance Smart Chains and the Matic Smart Chain as well. I switch to the Binance Smart Chain, which is taking a little bit longer than usual. Regardless, you switch on the Binance Smart Chain and it will connect to your wallet. Oh, looks like there also is a Polygon Smart Chain on. This is new, I hadn't seen this before. So Polygon is Matic, switch to Matic. Maybe this will be a little faster to just show an instance of this. Yeah, so now I'm on Polygon, it says I'm connected. I can now easily access any of these staking pools. So, that being said, we're gonna move on to how do I even get on to the Binance Smart Chain. So, what you wanna do, you go to your wallet and you click Custom RPC. Now, you'll have to input a network name, a new RPC URL, so Binance Smart Chain, it's HTTPS BSC-dataseed.binance.org. Got your chain ID, which in this case, I believe is 56. So you put in the 56 ID, your BNB, and then you put in BSC scan, you click save, and that will give you access to the Binance Smart Chain. Now what happens if you want to get the Matic Smart Chain? Polygon Smart Chain. Well, then you put Matic Mainnet. You enter the https://rpc-mainnet.maticvisual.com, and all of this will be in the comments below, guys, so don't worry, I'm just going through it with you. And then you get Matic, use the explorer.matic.network, you click save, and now you're gonna have access to it. Now, to switch between them, you just go up to the top, this little button here, and you switch between whichever one you want to use. Okay? So, with that being said, we're going to end the video, and I hope you have had a good time learning about how to use MetaMask. See you in the future. Oh, and of course, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Get the decentralized finance trending. So let's go.